September 22nd is an important day as it begins the 100-day countdown of the year. That's right, 265 days down and only 100 days to go. Are you going to use them to finish the year strong? Whether your fourth quarter goals have to do with making more money, blowing out your sales quota, becoming debt-free, losing weight, gaining muscle, or fitting into that little polka dot bikini, the 100-day challenge will show you how to make up for lost time and to achieve any goal that you want faster and easier than you ever thought possible. We believe life should be a breathtaking adventure and that you deserve that high-flying career, that epic Romeo and Juliet romance, that second house on a beautiful lake, that rock-hard stomach and toned physique, and we're committed to help you get there and beyond. The 100-Day Challenge is a hardcore, no-nonsense goal-setting program that was designed with one purpose in mind: to show you how to finish the year strong. So don't waste another moment. Complete the form on this page and get ready for 100 days of explosive growth.